Welcome back to the Checkout Guy. In this tutorial, I will tell you how to set up gift card expiration dates in your Shopify account. So if you are new to the channel, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button. So for this, you need to go to your Shopify account, then click on products, then click on gift cards. Then you can create a new gift card. It will automatically gonna give you a gift card code. You can set the initial value. Then click on set expiration date. You can set the expiration date here. Then save your changes. So here you can see your gift card is now activated and expiration date February 28, 2030 is activated. So now I will tell you how you can edit the gift card expiration dates after activating the gift card. Then click on edit expiration date. Then you can change the settings here. Then click on done. Then save your changes. So here you can see now expiration date has been changed. So that's it. If you are new to our channel, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching and happy selling.